My new buck 389 Canoe got here. It's really a beautiful knife. I believe it's made in China, but it's not marked as being made in China anymore. Somehow Buck got around that and have a different classification for where the knives is other than the USA. It's got the burlwood scales, really beautifully crafted blades, spear point, and the pen knife, I guess. They have a real good tension to them, the pen knife especially. It's just lovely. I can't talk it up enough. Really well made, really fine construction. Great knife.